As you just heard, Stark County is waiting on its second shipment of vaccines. Willacy County so far is the only county who has not received a single dose. Channel 5's Tanvi Verma with how emergency responders are coping.
The holidays have produced the expected surge in positive COVID cases in the area. In that regard, Willacy County is no different than the rest of the valley.
We went from an average of 3 to 4 cases a day to today. Now we're averaging 14 to 16 cases a day.
But one significant difference, there are no hospitals in Willacy County. That means that anyone who needs to be transported needs to be driven to Harlingen, and the distance varies depending on where you live. It's about an hour drive from Port Mansfield, but less than 20 minutes from Sebastian. The county has a total of 6 ambulances.
Yes, we are picking up a lot more COVID-related patients with problems breathing, and on top of that, it's flu season.
Frank Torres is the county's emergency management coordinator. He says about 70 to 80% of their calls are COVID related, and wait times have gone up.
Our wait time at the hospital has gone from an average of 15 minutes to an average of 45 minutes to an hour.
The latest numbers released by the county today showing 16 more positive cases, bringing the total of confirmed cases to 1,600, with 63 fatalities.
Again, we have more ambulance crews on duty, and so because we anticipated that this was going to happen, and so our patients are receiving the same level of care that everybody else in the valley is.
And just yesterday, Torres explained to us that even though the county is still waiting for its first shipment of the COVID vaccine, he and more than 30 frontline workers in Willacy have been able to go elsewhere to get vaccinated. Torres says the county will be emphasizing CDC guidelines now that New Year's Eve is around the corner. He urges people to stay home to try to keep the number of new cases to a minimum. Tanvi Verma, Channel 5 News at 6.